Come test drive the 2020 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, fog lights, trip computer, heated front seats, compass, panic alarm, remote keyless entry. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.